Of an algae bloom? That's the beginning of it right there. Not a good thing, but I just thought I'd point that out. For the Coast Guard, one last and very important thing, and that is those orange things above your heads. We call them light vests or personal flotation devices. In 144 years of the tour, we've never needed them. I don't see a need for them today, but, and there is always a but, the Coast Guard mandates that we instruct you on their proper use. So, here goes my best flight attendant routine that I can muster. Should you need a rise, use your eyes, look above your head, grab one of them orange BFDs. I want you to bring one down and insert your head through the opening, wrap that cinch cord securely around your waist, and then look up forward through that open hatch, door as you may call it. By the time y'all figured out how to put that thing on, I'm already out there on the shore. Y'all are on the Yo-Holo, not the Titanic. There is no code that says I have to be the last one off, and I'm not going to be. No, I'm not saying I'd leave you behind, but folks, if something happens and you're looking at me, that is what you'll see.